life transport uses the Barton Chair instead of a stretcher for a variety of reasons. Simply put, the Barton Chair is infinitely more comfortable than a stretcher, costs less, and is safer when transferring a patient. A stretcher, by way of design, is more top-heavy, is much more prone to tipping over while going over bumps and awkward angles. The Barton Chair, on the other hand, has a much lower center of gravity, therefore giving the patients a feeling of greater security. A stretcher requires the patient to be loaded backwards, causing already sick patients to feel more discomfort. The patient literally feels every bump the ambulance absorbs as they travel down the road. The Barton Chair allows for a front-facing experience so the patient can look out the windows and feel as if they're traveling naturally. Additionally, heating and cooling vents are positioned where Barton Chair passengers can get warmth or air conditioning. Stretcher patients typically are too far a distance from the vents to stay adequately comfortable. A stretcher has one bend that allows the patient to sit up at one angle. The Barton Chair has an unlimited amount of reclining positions that allow total comfort. Finally, this is all available at a fraction of the cost of an ambulance ride.